Hey guys, nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. This is the second class of Korean consonants and vowels. In the last class, we learned 8 basic vowels in Korean. A, O, O, U, I, E, E. Like this. Do you remember? Today, we're gonna look through 10 basic consonants. We will focus on how to pronounce and write them. Here are today's goals. First, read the 10 consonants with accurate pronunciation. Second, write consonants by combining them with vowels. Third, read and write words formed by basic consonants and vowels. If you achieve these goals, you can consider that you have learned everything we covered today. Today's content, we will cover 5 subtopics today. Then, let's get started. The first topic is the principle of consonant creation. Since we briefly covered this in the previous video, we'll go through it quickly. Korean consonants are a total of 19 characters. Based on their creation principle, they can be divided into 3 categories. The first category includes g, n, m, s, e, and these consonants were created based on the shape of the vocal organs such as lips, tongue, throat. The second category includes k, d, t, l, b, p, z, ch, h. They are created by adding strokes to the first 5 consonants. Finally, there are 쌍자음, like this, which is the double consonant. They are created by placing 2 same consonants side by side. And 쌍 in 쌍자음 means pair or double in English. Now let's go on the 10 basic consonants. I will read the sound of 10 consonants and you follow me. First, g, go. This letter have same sound with G in go. Let me go on. N, no. N, no. D, doll. D, doll. L, long. L, long. M, man. M, man. P, bat. P, bat. S, snake. S, snake. This letter have no sound, which means have no phonetic value. That's why is combined with the vowels when a vowel is used alone. Then, z, jam, z, jam. H, hello, h, hello. Let me read again. K, n, d, l, m, p, s, z, h. Okay, there is a reason why I bundle up 10 basic consonants. This is because 2 videos later, we're gonna learn the left 9 consonants together, which include the strong sound consonant ts, k, t, p, and the 5 double consonants g, d, b, s, z. The third topic is the name of the consonant. Unlike vowels, consonants have their own names that separate from their sounds, but the name includes their sounds. I'm gonna read them first. 그, 기억. 느, 니은. 드, 디귿. 르, 리을. 무, 미음. 브, 비읍. 스, 시옷. 이응. 즈, 지읒, 흐, 히읗. Let me read again. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 히읗. Okay, to better know Korean, you need to memorize the name of the consonants. Fortunately, there is a rule for the name of the consonant. Here is the rule. Okay, for the first letter, write the consonant and add E. And for the second letter, write U and place the consonant under the U. This way you can write the name of all consonants. And then look at the ti읕. For the first letter, write ti읕 and add E. And for the second letter, write U and place ti읕 under the U. Do you understand it? Sadly, there are 3 exceptions. They are 기역 and 디귿 and 시옷. According to the rule, they should be 기윽 and 디귿 and 시읒. But look at their name. 기역, 디귿, and 시옷. Okay. These consonants should be written as 기역, 시옷, 디귿, like this. And you have no choice but memorize them, please. Now we're gonna learn the name of the other 9 consonants we have not learned yet. 츠, 크, 트, 프 follow the pattern. The names are 치읓, 키읔, 티읕, 피읍. And the name of double consonants can be written by adding 쌍 in front of the consonant name. For this letter, 쌍 plus 기역, and for this letter, the name is 쌍 plus 디귿, and this letter name is 쌍 plus 비읍. Do you understand it? 쌍 means double or pair in English. Now, how do we write the consonants? All Korean consonants and vowels are written from left to right and top to bottom. If you have writing tools, let's read and write together. First, 기역 1. Second, 니은 1. And 디귿 1, 2. And 리을, a little bit difficult. 1, 2, 3. And 미음, not at once like scale. 1, 2, 3. And 비읍, 1, 2, 3, 4. But lots of Korean write like this for convenience, like 1, 2, like this. And 시옷 1, 2. And 이응 1. And 지읒 1, 2. And also you can write like this 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, 3. And you can also write like this 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will write again. 기역 1, 니은 1, 디귿 1, 2. 리을 1, 2, 3. 미음 1, 2, 3. 비읍 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can write like this 1, 2 for convenience. And 시옷 1, 2. 이응 1. 지읒 1, 2, and also 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, 3, and also you can write like this 1, 2, 3. Well done! From now on, let's practice what we've learned today. First, let's practice writing consonants in the correct order. I will speak and write. You pause the video and fill in all the blanks while saying them out. Okay, let's go.
기억, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 니은, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 올, 지읒, 히읗, 올, 히읗.
And now let's combine the basic consonants and basic vowels. Consonants cannot be used alone. You must use them with one vowel. I will speak and write, and you pause the video, fill in all the blanks while saying them out.
Okay, let's go. 가, 거, 고, 구, 그, 기, 개, 개. 나, 너, 노, 누, 느, 니, 네, 네. 다, 더, 도, 두, 드, 디, 대, 대. 라, 러, 로, 루, 오, again. 루, 르, 리, 레, 레. 마, 머, 모, 모, 무, 무, 미, 매, 매. 다, 더, 도, 두, 드, 디, 대. 소리, 대, 사, 서, 소, 수, 스, 시, 세, 세. 읍스. 아, 어, 오, 우, 으, 이, 에, 에. 자, 저, 조, 주, 즈, 지. 소리, 제, 제. 오, 소리, 제. 하, 허, 호, 후, 흐, 히, 해, 해.
Okay, well done. The next exercise is learning a few words composed of basic consonants and basic vowels. We will read and write. You pause the video and fill in all the blanks while saying them out. First, 나무, 나무, which means tree. Second, 다리, which means leg, and bridge, you know. And third, 허리, waist. And then 모자, head or cap, something you wear on your head. Next, bus. And then okay, eraser. 부자, rich person. 소주, Korean traditional alcohol. And 아버지, father. Finally, the last exercise is the listening. I will speak the problem and you listen and write the appropriate answer. Let's get started. Number 1, 버스. Number 2, 나무. Number 3, 다리. Number 4, 모자. Number 5, 허리. Number 6, 아버지. Number 7, 소주. Number 8, 부자. Number 9, 지, 우, 개. 지, 우, 개. Okay, let me show you the answer. Number 1, 버스. Number 2, 나무. Number 3, 다리. Number 4, 모자. Number 5, 허리. Number 6, 아버지. Number 7, 소주. Korean people said 소주. Number 8, 부자. Number 9, 지우개. Have you written all the right answer? Very good, well done. Today's lesson is over. We have learned the 10 basic consonants. Here is the goal for today. Do you think you achieved all the objectives? I hope you do. If you have a question, please leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching it. See you next video. 안녕.